What's up guys, happy Sunday, and we have a bombshell news that could absolutely change everything. One of Samsung's most awaited phone of the year, the Galaxy S21 FE, might actually get cancelled. This news was first reported by Korean media known as ET News. They have a very decent track record. According to their sources, Samsung has suspended the production for the Galaxy S21 FE due to the lack of processors. As we know about this already, global chip shortage is a real issue, and now it's hitting Samsung where it hurts. Right after this article came out, other notable leaksters have also contacted their sources, and Ice Universe reported on Twitter that something unexpected has happened. He further said it could be related to some parts of the phone, particularly something related to the battery. Other sources have mentioned that the S21 FE development has been suspended for at least a month. It could be one major issue, or it could be a combination of multiple issues including battery, lack of processors, and even something related to the cost. In the light of everything that was happening, Samsung has finally responded. Yes, Samsung has told Android Authority that they don't want to comment on this rumor and speculation. The original article that came out from ET News has now been deleted for some reason. Not sure why that happened, but Samsung also made a separate response to Bloomberg where they said that they cannot discuss details regarding the unreleased product. They further said that nothing has been decided yet regarding the alleged production suspension. Now obviously for Samsung this is a huge controversial news, and based on the information from people like Ice Universe and other trusted sources, it does seem like something serious is going on regarding the S21 FE development, and it might actually get delayed, and in the worst case scenario it might actually get cancelled. The last time a smartphone was cancelled completely was the Galaxy Note 7, and of course it did came out as Note FE, which was the beginning of all this fan edition smartphones. If it doesn't get cancelled, then it will probably be delayed by about 2 months, which means it could come out in September or October later down the year. The Galaxy S21 FE is a big deal for Samsung. It's definitely one of the most awaited smartphones on the market. It brings all the features of the Galaxy S21 lineup combined with a lot more colors to a very attractive price. Now if the S21 FE get cancelled, what does this mean for the market? Well, this will give a lot of boost to other competitors like the iPhone 13, the upcoming Pixel 6, and possibly the OnePlus 9T. Let's hope for the best. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Google, as we know, is making a huge comeback, and they have set the budget similar to Samsung's Galaxy S21 lineup, meaning they are absolutely ready to challenge Samsung at the absolute highest level. Now we've got some more case renders coming out regarding the Pixel 6 Pro, and it's giving us a new look at the camera bump. We have not seen this kind of angle before, so you can see there's actually a noticeable camera bump based on this case render. This might not be very attractive to some people, but in my opinion a bigger camera bump means a larger smartphone camera sensor, and as we know, Google could possibly use the upcoming unannounced IMX800 Sony sensor, one of the largest upcoming smartphone sensors, so I really want to see what Pixel 6 Pro brings to the table. I don't mind the little camera bump we're getting. The camera hardware was much awaited, and it's finally happening. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below. Will you wait for the Galaxy S21 FE after hearing this news? What are your opinion? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.